I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back. As usual, you can check out my online shop for my book, More Than a Hair Journey, my organic hair growth oils, infinity head wraps, and more. So in this video, I'll be revisiting my number one tip to moisturizing locks. People often ask me, why is it that their hair still feels dry after applying oil? Well, for one, you might not be using the right oil for your hair porosity, so I do recommend trying different oils. But more importantly, oil is not a moisturizer. Did you hear that? Oil is not a moisturizer. Oil is a sealant, meaning its proper use is to seal in moisture. Water or products with water in it are best for moisturizing hair. This is why people with locks tend to gravitate towards misting their locks regularly. Mist alone is cool for some of us, but for me, I like to massage my scalp and hair with oil afterwards. In short, water moisturizes and oil seals in the moisture. Think about when you get out the shower. Have you noticed how much more moisturized your skin feels when you apply your oils or lotions fresh out the tub, rather than waiting a while before you put on your lotion and oils? Let me know your thoughts below. Thanks for watching. Love, light, and locks.